This summer, we're inviting you along as we explore some of New Brunswick's most beautiful waterfalls. The journey begins with our resident expert. Nicholas Guittart has authored several books about waterfalls, and we began by asking him to explain their allure.
In one time, I thought maybe 1,000, but it depends on the size and what people think a waterfall should be. But like you go to some brooks and there's 7 or 8 waterfalls on it. So some people say that's just one waterfall, but it's not. There's 7 or 8. Like example, Rocky Brook up in Restigouche County. There's 4 waterfalls on that brook that are about 20 feet high each. Wow. And they're spread out, a quarter of a mile between each waterfall. So there's 4 right there in one brook. Every waterfall has its own personality, its own. When you get there, it's like, this is different from the last one. It's more of a challenge because you get there and you're like, wow, this is good. I really feel like the destination was worth the hike. So I think that's one thing. 2, it's a sense of achievement. And 3, you're getting connected. And the thing about the guide is we want to make sure we had waterfalls in there that people with accessibility issues could get to easily and see. LaPro Falls is an example. Located approximately 40 kilometers southwest of St. John in Charlotte County. Just off of Highway number 1, you'll find this easy to access waterfall in the village of LaPro. The thing about LaPro too is that I thought was amazing was the fact that it falls right into the Bay of Fundy on high tide. I mean, it's right into the salt water, and then on low tide, it's got to flow another probably mile before it even hits the Fundy.
If there's a waterfall you feel we should visit, please let us know by sending an email to cbcnb@cbc.ca.